everyone and welcome to another video. I'm Renee and today I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair. I've been asked in the comment section to kind of show what the routine really is, and I decided, you know what a great idea, because I had no ideas for videos this week. So without further ado, I'm going to show you all the products I use, how I detangle, and how I blow dry my hair. So let's jump into the video. I've been feeling under the weather because I didn't have any lemons. It's just turmeric and honey. It's really good, actually. First things first, we need to cut our nails because right now they are all, they're all disgusting. I don't know what happened, but Florida was just not good for my nails. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the water. I have no idea. So I'm gonna cut my nails and then I'm gonna file them down, and then I'm gonna start manipulating my hair. Sharp edges. So first thing I do is I separate my hair into sections. I separate my hair into about 6 sections. And then I grab my wide tooth comb. If you can see, the strands, the teeth are quite thick and rounded, so it causes little to no damage. And by the way, my hair has been drying for about an hour, so it is still damp but not soaking, dripping wet. So I just go around and I detangle. I take my time, starting with the ends, working my way up, and then I separate and twist. And I just repeat the same thing all around my head until I have as many sections as you need. Some people need 4 sections, some people need 8 sections. Like, it all depends on how much hair you have and how much you want to go into details. So I'm going to do my whole head and then I'll come back. All right, so I have detangled. This is how much hair that came out after detangling, just after washing. Okay, now the next step I do before blow drying is I use my heat protectant, Tresemme, and my leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I just leave it in an afro and then I spray it if I'm not going to straighten it. But if I am going to blow dry or straighten, I like to spray my hair with both. That's it. I kind of just coat the hair. I'm going to spritz it again as I'm blow drying, so let's start the blow drying process. So my hair is 4C, and this is what it looks like. No product in, except for the Tresemme and the what did I say, the argan oil. Did I call this Afrogy? The argan oil leave-in conditioner. After that, you can see it's just nice and springy with nothing in it, which is wonderful, especially when you're natural and you have a thick amount of hair. So what I do is I separate these sections into 2 sections. Take a clip and clip the one section back. Grab a wide tooth pick comb. This is a lot sharper than the first one that I used to detangle with. And then I begin on, I set my blow dryer on a low medium heat, and then I just let the fan go. So there you go. This is what it looks like now at this length, and this is what it was before. So before and after. So before and after. And I just continue the process all around my hair, and yeah, I'll come back to you when I'm doing the other side. All right, so I'm at the front. I've done all of this. And my front. No, I didn't. Actually, I didn't do the front here. I still have 3 more sections to go. But I kind of realized that I didn't tell you how I'm doing it. I told you that you had to detangle. I use the wide toothpick comb and I get all the way in. Some people will blow dry and they will stretch it. So they'll just pull down on the hair to get it straight. I can't do that. It doesn't work for me. So what I do is I use the wide tooth comb. I use the wide tooth comb to get it as straight as I can. Now, you might see these ends. These bits are part of the top section. My top section is straighter than my middle and my back section. So, as you can see, it goes up here. So this is why you would see, because your hair is not all the same curl. And a lot of people will think, oh, let me cut this off. Let me cut these bits off. But no, these bits are not, they're just different. They're not, it's not that they're damaged, it's not that they're thinning, it's nothing. It's just that they're different. And I'll show you that once it's completely blow dried. When you're using your flat brush, you wanna pull and create tension in the hair. So that same pulling that you would drag your hair strands, it's the same thing the brush is doing. It's just creating more tension. And it's because my hair is so curly that I want to make sure that I can make it as straight as I can by creating tension. You can start from the bottom by just tilting the brush and then just pulling from here. And then you're going to grab your nozzled blow dryer and you're going to concentrate. So you use your nozzle to concentrate where you want it straightened, and you use your brush to pull. So as you can see, remember we had like 3 little ends 2 seconds ago, and then now see, as your hair is the same length. So you kind of see the sections. Some people think, cut it off. No, you're cutting off perfectly good hair. Don't do it. It's just that straighter than the rest of your hair. All right, next section. Let me just drink this. I really like the turmeric tea. It's apparently good for gut health. So let me undo these. My hair is all blow dried, nice and loose, easy to manage. If you want to braid it down from here, go ahead. If you want to do a styling, some people just wear it like this and just go. You can do that because it's your hair and your hair is beautiful. Whether it's thin, thick, long, short, it's yours, and you know, you gotta enjoy it. I've been natural for a year or so now, and I went from relaxed, Tex-Lax to natural, and I actually really enjoy my hair when it's blow dried because it's just more manageable. Don't be worried about heat damage because you're putting minimal heat because your blow dryer is on medium to low heat. Take your time, work sections by section because you want to make sure that your hair is nicely detangled, and when you're done, after blow drying your 4C hair or whatever texture curl pattern you have, you're going to put some heat protectant because your hair is going to be out in the sun. And then I also like to put more leave-in. So whether I'm braiding it and putting it away or straightening it with a silk press, I like to just finish up with some more leave-in. And that's it for this video. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. I make videos every week, and 2 videos a week. So if you want to know more hair stuff, just ask, or if you want to see a grocery haul, then go ahead. So I hope I'm not rambling too much, and I hope that you like this blow drying 4C hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one.